The Pfaff Ambition Essential sewing machine comes with both a printed manual, yay, so all the things that I'm going over with your sewing machine through all these videos on sewingmastery.com, it's pretty much taking and doing a video on every page of the manual. But it's nice to have a little printed manual. You can go back, you can write some notes in here that comes with the machine. Next, let's talk about the Pfaff warranty for this particular model. So you do want to register your machine at pfaff.com and they'll get all your information in, where you bought it, when you bought it, and everything. You do have a basic warranty, actually a really good warranty. Number one, for your machine, they have a 10-year warranty on the whole machine, so anything on defective parts. And then there is 2 years on your motor and electrical, and so if anything was to happen with those, that they'll take care of it. And then 1 year on just your basic, normal, anything that might go wrong in the first year. Have your local Pfaff store take care of that for you. But you know, honestly, if you take care of your machine and change your needle and clean it out from time to time, this machine is going to last you. Have your machine serviced on a regular basis, once a year is what we say. And again, this part here is really not going to be a big deal. These machines are made so solid, but for any reason something goes wrong, they will take care of it. And just again, contact your local Pfaff store, and if you've got any questions regarding servicing issues or warranty. So enjoy the rest of these videos and make some notes in the manual.